Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel with me Mutia Anggraini. Guys, this time I want to talk about tax. Uh, Maybe I want to use the English also because of any comment that required and asking me about the tax in Indonesia. In Indonesia, if you want to make a tax as a for yourself or the company that you want to make for them, we have the already have the web from the tax government tax office. Then I'll show you this. To go through this web, and then you can go to the here go for the company, and here for the uh, yourself as an employee or as a businessman. And then you have to make a account, and then you have to report to the government, following this is here the responsibility and your right to have. And then you have to follow all of the what is your income, and then how much you have to pay later on when you already have the account, and you have to pay it to the registered office, which that you registered to the office of the tax, any branch that you register based on the domicile that you take as the office. Wait, I wanna presenting the when you already log in. Wait, okay, here as the requirement, if you wanna open as a company, they make some classification that you the company which they you take a profit. And then the sample is PT, CV, firma, bank, and other company, and also the company for the badan, which means that the such as not for the PT or the company, but that one is for something for social responsibility, non-government, or any for school, also for something for your religion thing stuff and everything, or for the NGO, or the other is for the joint operation as a construction company, or other is for the branch for the bank. Here, okay, they should be have the tax and registered in the office based on the domicile that taken. Let's say the central bank is the central office is in Jakarta, but they have some branch in the Bandung, Semarang, Yogyakarta, and somewhere else. They should have another tax ID as the branch. Oh, this one is a requirement that you need to fulfill for the document for sure for the deed. This one, the deed, the first deed, and the change. This one is This is for the profit or non-profit company, like that. If you have a foreigner as the member, the board member or the commissary member, you should attach their passport, and also you should register the personal tax ID for the foreigner. This one other is for the joint operation, requirement for the joint operation. Yeah, you have to have the agreement of the joint operation, the deed, or any agreement that make between parties. This is for the copy of the ID, tax ID for each member here. In the deed, in the agreement, mention name 1 2 3, how many people inside signing here. You should attach their ID, tax ID. Then this is for the other ID for the member, not for the board but for the operational thing. Yep, other is for the branch. If you want to open as a branch, you should attach the ID, tax ID also. Yeah, also same like before. You should fulfill the requirement as the Indonesian, the ID, tax ID copy. If they are foreigner, also the passport and the tax ID here. And if you work as the personal thing, you need your KTP as an Indonesian, passport for foreigner. You should register here. Don't have your NPP yet, register here. Make your own password, email here, and fulfill all of the requirement they ask. And then everything about your detail, personal detail, like address, KTP ID number, and so on and so on. I think that one is for the general thing that you should fulfill all the requirement you need to fulfill, that if you want to make a new ID for the taxpayer. Also, if you wanna have a or you wanna pay as the yearly payment, you can I will talk in other video. I think that's all. They also have guidelines for the, let's say you are lawyer like me. Here they have some article that you can read. What is that one, the definition, the law under the tax for, this is the object of your earning, what is your earning about, so on and so on. That one and that one, yeah, like that. That one is for personal, but also they have some article for the company. Maybe if you want to make or you confused, you can just hit me up on chat or message. then I can help you out from this problem. Okay, talk to you later. Thank you for now. Bye. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye now. Have a nice day.